Hello students, now we are going to discuss about optical fiber communications, right? So in this optical fiber communication, first of all we need to discuss about regarding communication. So the purpose of communication is we can share our thoughts and feelings. We can share our thoughts and feelings, right? So in optical fiber, the optical is nothing but lens or glass, and that glass is made with the silica. Okay, glass is made with the silica, that is SiO2. Okay, in optical fiber, the optical is nothing but the glass or lens. The glass is made with the silica, that is SiO2. So later we will discuss about this optical fiber. Now we discuss about these communications. So in ancient times, the people are communicating with the copper wires in long distance communications, but those copper wires affect with the electrical signals. In ancient times, the people are communicating with the copper wires. Those copper wires will be affected by the electrical signals. That's why we use optical fibers. Now we see the historical development of this optical fiber communications. Now coming to this historical development of optical fiber communications, right? So first, in 1837, the telegraph is invented by F.B. Samuel Morse. Samuel F.B. Morse, right? In 1837, telegraph is invented by Samuel F.B. Morse. Okay. Here the Morse is using one of the code, that is Morse code. Okay. For letters and numbers, he is using code, that is Morse code, and that code is having dots and dashes for letters and numbers. The Morse code is having dots and dashes for letters and numbers. So by using this telegraph, he is sending that code to send the information from one place to another place with the help of electrical pulses. So with the help of electrical pulses, he is going to send the data from one place to another place by using this telegraph. Next, in 1874, the advanced telegraph systems, that is Baudot system, has invented, and it is for using more speed. Okay, Baudot system is used for sending the data with the high speed. Okay, that is up to 120 bits per second compared to the telegraph. So its speed is high compared to the telegraph, right? So in 1874, the Baudot system has been developed to increase the speed compared to the telegraph. So it is one of the advanced telegraphic system, that is the Baudot system. Next, in 1876, Alexander Graham Bell has invented telephone. In 1876, Alexander Graham Bell invented telephone to send the voice signals in analog form. So coming to this Baudot system, it requires more skilled operators. But whereas telephone, it does not require any skilled operators. Okay, that is the advantage of this telephone system. And telephone is invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. Okay, so it requires less number of skilled operators compared to the Baudot system. After few years, the optical communications has been introduced. Okay, in 8th century BC, Greeks are communicating with fire signal method. That is the first optical transmission link, right? Fire signal method, by which they are sending alarms, next calls for help, next announcement of certain events. By using this fire signal method, they are sending alarms, next calls for help, and announcement of certain events. So this is done by the Greeks in 8th century BC. Okay, so this is the first optical transmission link, but there are no advances in optical communications until the invention of laser. So in 1960, the invention of laser has been occurred. So here laser is light amplification, stimulated emission of radiation. So laser is invented in 1960. So because of this laser, there are more technological developments in optical communications has been occurred. Okay, because of this laser, there are more technological developments has been done. So in 1970, okay, in 1970 there are series of technological developments done in optical fibers because of this laser. Next, in 1978, okay, in 1978, the practical light wave communication is allowed all over the worldwide. The practical light wave communication in 1978, the practical light wave communication allowed all over the worldwide. And these practical light wave communications operate in the near infrared region of electromagnetic spectrum and use optical fibers as the transmission medium. Okay, in 1978 they are using the practical light wave communications all over the worldwide, right now. So in this way they are using the optical fibers as the transmission medium. So these are the historical development of optical fibers. So in 1837 they invented the telegraph by Samuel F.B. Morse. Next in 1874 Baudot system has been developed for increment of speed compared to the telegraph. Next in 1876 telephone is invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Next, after few years optical communications has been introduced. Okay, the first optical transmission link is used by the Greeks. Okay, next in 1960 the invention of laser has been done. Okay, because of this invention of laser there are more technological developments has been done in optical fibers. Next in 1970 series of technological developments done in optical fibers. Next in 1978 practical light wave communication is allowed all over the worldwide, that is used for certain distance. In this they are using the optical fibers as transmission medium. Okay, that is regarding your historical development of optical fibers. And next topic will be discussed in next video. Okay, thank you.